Hi guys, how to unlock your Hello Money account kapag ito ay na-lock dahil sa kakaulit-ulit nyo ng maling password. So, let's go guys. Open nyo lang yung application, then lagay nyo yung number na gamit ninyo at saka o kaya yung email, it's either dun sa dalawa. And then, forget password. Then, ito naman, lagay nyo yung email or number, then birthday, then next. Then, after that, lalabas na to, unregistered device. Device is unregistered. Dahil nga bago yung cellphone na gamit ko, nilipat ko siya ng cellphone. So, kailangan natin recover account. Then, fill up the details. Lagay nyo lang. And then, magbi-video kayo. Tapos, sasabihin nyo yung kung ano yung pangalan nyo at birthday. And then, proceed na guys. After nyo ma-record. Account recover success. Your request has been submitted and you will receive an email within the next banking days and confirm the status from request. So, may reference silang binibigay tapos mag-i-email yan sa inyo after 3 days like that. And then, pag nag-email na sila, magbibigay sila ng temporary password. Yun ang ilalagay ninyo and then change password na kayo guys. And then, ayan na. You're successfully change password. Then, pwede na kayo makapag-login ulit gamit ang inyong new password. Ganun lang po guys, kadali. Mag-forget password lang kayo, mag-request, and then, maghihintay lang ng ilang araw bago sila mag-email, magbibigay ng panibagong temporary password. Then, enable ko na din yung biometric para mabilis na lang pag naglalagin ako sa susunod. Dahil nga makakalimutin ako guys talaga. Paulit-ulit ko, kaya ayan, nalock tuloy yung aking accounts. That's all guys, sana nakatulong. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bottom bell for my next video. See ya, bye!